Hello everyone. This is your English teacher Anuradha Dubey once again before you with explanation of another chapter, the third level, which has been written by Jack Finney, and this is prescribed in your supplementary textbook Vistas class 12th. This chapter reminds me of a very famous Hollywood film, Shutter Island. I have also watched a Bollywood movie named No Smoking. These two psychological thrillers are a masterpiece where the audience is not able to differentiate between reality and the imagination. You fail to identify where the story is going on in reality and where it has entered into the imagination of the protagonist. Here in this story also, we deal with the experience of a 30-year-old ordinary Englishman whose name is Charlie. This man works in an office and he has to travel every day from subway in order to reach his home. This is his ordinary routine, like many other people in America. तो कहानी शुरू होती है जहाँ नरेटर जो है वो आपको बताता है कि हर दिन जब वो ग्रैंड सेंट्रल स्टेशन से जाता है और ये बात उसके मन में आती है कि जनरली सबको पता है कि ग्रैंड सेंट्रल स्टेशन के दो लेवल्स हैं, फर्स्ट लेवल एंड द सेकंड लेवल, एंड देयर आर सर्टेन प्रूफ्स आल्सो which are evident that there are obviously only two levels, the first level and the second level of Grand Central Station. But Charlie thinks that there is a third level also which leads to a place called Galesburg. He can bet, he can have swear that there is actually a place and actually a level called the third level on Grand Central Station because he himself has been there. Because of this experience, he happens to visit a psychiatrist और उसको बताता है कि उसने ये experience हुए हैं. The explanation of his psychiatrist for this experience is कि ये एक waking dream wish fulfillment है. Waking dream wish fulfillment means कि आप कोई इच्छा करते हैं और चाहते हैं कि वो पूरी हो जाए और एक level आता है when you realize that it has actually turned into reality. So this is just an effort to run away from your realities, which are very harsh, because this was the age of insecurities, war, worries. People actually want to run away from the harsh realities and are in search of some place which can work as a temporary refuge. This kind of refuge, he gives an example of an habit of collecting stamps, जो कि चार्ली करता है. वो जो स्टैम्प्स कलेक्शन करता है उसके साइकेट्रिस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग ये भी एक एफर्ट है जिससे वो रियलिटी से भागने की कोशिश करता है, क्योंकि जितने टाइम ही स्पेंड्स विद द पोस्टेजेस वो उसको रियलाइज होता है. वो उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम को इमेजिन करता है, उस टाइम पर कैसा रहा होगा, उस पर जो चित्र बने हुए हैं, जो पिक्चर्स हैं, वो उसको रियलाइज कराते हैं कि ये किस टाइम से रिलेटेड है, किस व्यक्ति के नाम पे है. तो ही बिकम्स अ लिटिल बिट swayed away from the world of reality. So it happens with him one day. This is his routine कि वो रात को 11 बजे वहां से निकलता है और डेली सबवे पकड़ता है और वहां से जाता है. तो एक दिन का जिस दिन उसको एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है थर्ड लेवल पे जाने का, उसको एक्सप्रेस करते हुए वो बताता है आपको कि ये एक ऑर्डिनरी दिन था. पूरे दिन ही हैज वर्कड इनटू द ऑफिस, इट इज वेरी लेट फॉर द स्कूल, सो ही वेरी लेट फॉर द होम एंड ही हैज टू कैच द ट्रेन फॉर हिज होम. He enters into the Grand Central Station and happens to visit first level and second level. After turning for so many times, he finds himself at some new place. Actually, it has happened with him a pair of times. He thinks that this whole place, that Grand Central Station, is like a big riddle, a maze in which everyone is very prone to get lost. Every day this place is sprouting with new corridors, new doors, new galleries, so it becomes very confusing for one to travel with. So how many times you have visited this place, but it is very easy that you can get lost. So when he enters into a place on a platform and it seems somewhat different from the so-called the first level and the second level. When he proceeds ahead, he sees that all the architecture of this particular place, this level is very old one. He sees that there are fewer ticket windows. He sees the windows are very different from the, they are made of wood. There are brass spitons. There are open gas flame lights which are flickering. The people who are wandering over there, they are dressed in very outdated dresses. And then he realizes that he is on the third level. Then he confirms, he wants to confirm it somehow. So he goes to a newspaper vendor and sees the date on the newspaper, and it says 9 June 1894. The name of the newspaper was The World. This paper is not published anymore. तो वो समझ जाता है कि वो उस जमाने में पहुंच चुका है जहां पर वो थर्ड लेवल है. Then he sees a black locomotive coming to his direction, and he goes to the ticket window and demands 2 tickets for Galesburg, Illinois. Now this place has a very significant position in Charlie's life as well as in this story also. When he goes to the window and wants to purchase the ticket, he finds that he doesn't have the proper currency, because here the old currency is required, which he doesn't have. So he asks the ticket collector to come again, and he exits the place. But since the time, he has tried many times he has tried to find out the third level, but he is not able to get it. He discusses this problem with many of his friends, his psychiatrist friend, his wife also, but everyone thinks that he is just blubbering, or there is no reality in what he has perceived. Why does he want to go to Galesburg, Illinois? Actually, this city is where the grandfather of Charlie used to live. This is a very luxurious city. This was people were very happy. They were quiet. They were relaxed. They had a lot of time to share with each other. They had luxurious houses with big lawns, with big gardens, and everyone was relaxed in one way or the other. And he becomes nostalgic. He used to hear the stories from his grandfather, and he became nostalgic about him. And it was his desire that whenever he will get an opportunity, he will also always and definitely visit this place, गेल्सबर्ग, इलिनॉय. तो जैसे ही उसको मौका मिलता है तो वो चाहता है कि वो गेल्सबर्ग, इलिनॉय के टिकट्स को खरीदे. वो एक पुराने टिकट करेंसी एक्सचेंज करने वाले के पास भी जाता है, और जहां पर वो 300 रुपए जो कि उसके पास थे, ऑल द होल अमाउंट विच ही हैड इन हिज बैंक, उसको वो रिप्लेस कराता है, एंड ही गेट्स लेस देन 200 old currency bills. But he is quite okay with it, because he knows that in the old world everything seem to be quite cheaper. So this amount is going to be a very handsome amount. But as soon as he leaves the place and he again begins his search for the third level, he finds that one of his friends, Sam Wiener, is missing. He tries many times, but he fails in his effort, and his wife asks him to stop this search. उसको लगता है कि ये बहुत ज्यादा उसको प्रभावित कर रहा है, तो उसकी वाइफ उसको मना करती है कि अपनी खोज बंद करो. और इसी समय उसको खबर आती है कि उसका एक दोस्त है, सैम वीनर, जो कि खो गया है, जो मिल नहीं रहा है. उसकी वाइफ भी इससे कई बार पूछताछ करती है. खैर, इसे पता नहीं चलता कि सैम वीनर कहाँ है. एंड सडनली वन डे व्हेन ही वाज स्क्राउंजिंग हिज stamp collection, he happens to come across a first day cover which was not there before. जब उसने पहले देखा था तो ये फर्स्ट डे कवर वहां पर नहीं था. बिफोर यू विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज अ फर्स्ट डे कवर. द स्टैम्प कलेक्टर्स purchase the stamp on the very first day of the issue. They keep a plain paper in the envelope, write their own address on the envelope, and the postmark proves that the post was issued on that particular date, and they send this envelope to themselves. This is not open, because we know that there is no letter or anything else in the first day cover. But today, when he opens that first day cover, there is a note from his friend Sam, and the note was written on on July 1894, and the address was Galesburg, Illinois. It was written in the note that Galesburg, Illinois is actually a very beautiful place, very peaceful place, and Louisa and Charlie should also visit this place if they really want to enjoy themselves. और यहाँ पर उसे फिर से यकीन हो जाता है कि द सर्च विच ही वॉज डूइंग टू गेट the tickets for Galesburg, Illinois, or have a visit to Galesburg, Illinois, it was not useless because his friend had successfully found it. Now you must be very curious about what happened to his friend and who was his friend. Actually, the psychiatrist friend of Charlie was Sam Wiener, the psychiatrist who forbade him to continue his research for the third level. He himself got so fascinated towards the description of the place Galesburg, Illinois, that he himself got desire to visit that place, and the experience happens. So we can say that sometimes the recklessness, the restlessness which we experience from the present world compel us to have some unrealistic experiences, and maybe many of the people are not believing us, but for us this experience is very true and very relevant, जैसा कि चार्ली के साथ होता है, जैसा कि सैम के साथ होता है, क्योंकि इस प्रेजेंट वर्ल्ड में वो एडजस्ट नहीं कर पाते, क्योंकि इस प्रेजेंट वर्ल्ड में वो कंफर्टेबल नहीं है, तो हर बार वो उस सुंदर जगह के बारे में, उस पुराने जमाने की जगह के बारे में सुन के अट्रैक्ट होते हैं, और एक टाइम पर उनको लगता है कि शायद वो वहां पहुंच ही गए हैं. सो हियर आर मेनी एक्सपीरियंसेस वेयर द reality and imagination are mixed in a way that the differentiation cannot be made. So this was the explanation of the first part. I will meet you in the another video where we will discuss the short questions and the higher order thinking skill questions. Thank you.